my God! Guys, what do you think of that paint job? I can't believe I done that. You there? Right. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. In this episode, we're back on this bad boy. But before we get on with that, I just want to remind you guys, yes, I'm gonna say it again, Salvage Nation and Access Competition, we're doing a raffle. We've been doing this raffle for about 2 months now, and we've just not sold enough tickets, and I need you guys to take part. I need you guys to make this a success because it will help the channel, and not only that, it will help a UK charity of my choosing once it all goes. I want to give back to you, and I hope that you want to join in the fun and get involved. It's going to be this BMW 325i. I've put blood, sweat and tears into rebuilding this car, and I want to give it to one of you guys. We've had a lot of new subscribers on the channel recently, and if you want to get involved, head on over to Access Competitions, purchase some tickets, and I'll be doing a live giveaway on the Access Competitions Facebook channel, and then I'll be delivering it in person to you guys. Like I said, I'm doing this part-time, and I just thought it was a good way to help the channel, help you guys, give back to you guys, and also help out a UK charity as well. But so far it's not gone to plan, and I would hate to have to scrap it all together. So I'm just doing it one last time, extended it. If you've already bought a ticket, thank you. We're going to be extending it. We've still got your registration, so please get involved if you want to help out the channel and if you want to help Salvage Nation. Let's go. Right guys, so the plan for today is I'm going to be spraying this car, getting it to look 100%, and I hope you're looking forward to that. I am. But before I do that, I went ahead and I bought this windscreen removal kit off Amazon, and like I said, I'm going to be doing everything myself. So I've got a breaker. The first thing I'm going to do is take the windscreen out of this car, take the windscreen out of the breaker, and get this broken windscreen replaced. Then once that's done, get the car in the garage and get prepped for paint. So right guys, I'm by no means a professional at this. I've never removed a windscreen before, but I'm gonna give it a go. That's what we do here on the channel. So the plan is, if you remember, I said I bought that little kit, and it came with these two little bits like that. I'll show you right now. Have a look at that bad boy. So it's come with two of them, and it's come with this wire right here. So this wire, all you need to do is push it through the bottom like so. Once you push it through the bottom, it comes out right there. If you can see that, it's coming out, and then all you need to do is just thread it through this little hole like so, and then pull it down, and then that kind of locks off on its own. So I'm not going to put it in because I need to push it through. Also, it's come with this little tool like so, and it's, as you can see, it's got a little groove right there, and all you need to do is put the wire in that little groove, push it through the slot between the windscreen and the body panel of the car, and then that will push the wire through the existing glue, and then we can use a sewing motion to cut through it. So I just wanted to share that with you. Let's go I'm gonna start with the breaker car, make sure that I get that out in one piece, because if I don't, then that's curtains. So get that out, and then I can get my old one out, and then we'll see where we're going from there. Guys, this is hard work, man. There are easier ways to do it, but I'm doing this on my budget, so I'm doing everything myself. But I'm almost there.
Game over.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Guys, it's over. I thought I was done. Did this. God. Guys, that is so frustrating because, have a look. I did the entire thing. no problems. Messed it up right at the end. I guess it's a trip to Autoglass. Guys, so frustrating. But that's the way it goes. And my friend used to tell me all the time, nothing beats a fail than a try. And I tried, that's all I could do. And the reason I wanted that to work is when I made a phone call to Autoglass, they told me it's going to be $295 to supply and fit a new windscreen for that car. What? $295 to supply and fit a new windscreen for that car. It's got the auto lights and the auto wipers, so it's got the rain and light sensor. So that's the more expensive type of glass that I need to get. But what can you do? Look, I feel a bit deflated, but we're gonna continue. We're gonna get the car in the garage. We're gonna start the bodywork. There's a few little dents and scratches that I need to do. I need to flat down those wings so they can take the paint. So there's still quite a lot of work to do, and I always say it, keep it moving. So here we are yet again. I've got to keep it moving. So let's continue with that. Right guys, have a look at the bonnet now. All of that sheen from the gloss is gone. I've flattened it down to a nice matte finish, and that is ready to take some primer and some paint. But before I continue with that, it's this man's birthday. He's trying to keep it undercover. I want you to get in the comments down below and wish Akil a happy birthday. Guys, right now, comment happy birthday, Akil. Don't let him forget this day. He's literally, I've been in the garage with him for the past 4 hours and he's not told me anything. I've just found out because one of his friends told me. So get in the comments. Happy birthday, Akil. I want to see it. Show him some love. Well, you're not celebrating anymore. What?
You're getting older every year.
Guys, at what age do you start celebrating your birthday? I'm going to tell you in the future how old I am, but I still celebrate my birthday. But at what age does it stop being a celebration and it's a worry? Let me know as well. Now that you've just done that, let's continue. There you have it, guys. I've gone ahead and I've sanded down the replacement wing, replacement bonnet. The other side doesn't need sanding down quite just in the same manner, but I'll be tackling that as well. Now guys, you might think, what's going on with this front bumper? Now, even though it's a replacement front bumper, it's in very good condition. It's got some marks and some dents and some scratches, but this is a budget build and we're gonna be doing this on a budget. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna flat it down just a smidge. We're gonna put some cutting compound, polish it back up to a nice, lovely shine, and we're gonna bring this bumper and the original paintwork on this bumper back to life, and you're gonna see all of that. So we will not be spraying this bumper, and this is the definition of a budget build. We're gonna be shaving off costs everywhere we can, and if I can restore this bumper, I'll be saving myself between 100 to 200 quid on the overall cost of this car. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Have a look at this. It cleans up so nicely, and that's just with a couple of wipes with this microfiber cloth. So once we do our magic on this bumper, it's gonna be good as new. Guys, take a look at that surface. I've gone ahead and done a little switcheroo with myself as well. But have a look, we're almost ready for paint. Still got a few more bits to do. We're waiting for the paint to arrive, and then we're gonna mix up some paint, lay some paint, and then we'll be one step closer to getting this car finished. Let me know what you think so far in the comments down below. Right guys, this is a first for me. I've just put down the first layer of base coat, put it on quite light, dusted it in. I'm gonna give it about 10 to 15 minutes to just dry, and then I'll put on a second layer, and then we'll just layer it up, and then hopefully it comes out nice. Let's continue. Guys, I'm a mess. Have a look. I've put down a few layers of white paint. This is the base coat. I think it's gone down quite nice. I'll give you a closer look and I want you to tell me what you think. Right guys, check that out. It looks so nice. Let me get my shadow out of the way. It's gone down evenly and it's gone down very, very smoothly. A lot better than I expected. And that is the base coat now done on the wing and on the bonnet. Let me know what you think of that finish. My God, guys, what do you think of that paint job? I can't believe I done that. Obviously, right at the end there, I got Akil to come in, bless him. He came all the way from home to give me, you know, the old taggaroo, the old helping hand when I needed it so I can get you guys some better shots whilst I was holding the camera. But for the most part, guys, this entire build has been just majority, I mean 80–90%, me, myself and I, and just look at those results. The car is looking amazing. Tell me what you think of this. Tell me what you think of this build so far. Tell me what you think of the paint job. I'm gonna leave it overnight. Oh! Yeah. Yeah! That paint job has just transformed the look of this car, and I can't wait to take everything off the front, but I'm gonna give it overnight to dry, make sure that everything's ready. This entire wall behind is a mess, and I'm looking for graffiti artists to come in and do their thing on this wall, have Salvage Nation, Eagle Motors, something to represent both myself and Akil. I want it to be fun, exciting, and just have this entire wall just completely covered in a big old mural. So if any of you guys are into graffiti art, or if you know anyone that's into professional graffiti art, do drop me a DM, let me know in the comments down below, or follow me on Instagram at @salvage_nation. So guys, I appreciate all the love and support, all the comments, all the messages, and all the well wishes that I get on a daily basis. I appreciate it, so thank you. And if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button. I'll really appreciate it, because I want you to join me on my journey. We're gonna do this together, baby. We're gonna do this together. And if you wanna see what I get up to, get the inside scoop on the builds, I'll be posting pictures on this today. You're not gonna get the video, you're probably gonna see this video in a couple of days. So if you wanna see the inside scoop, follow me at @salvage_nation on Instagram. And to all the subscribers who bumped into me this week, I don't know why, but this week I bumped into about 5 or 6 different subscribers who saw me out and about, came up to me. Look, I love interacting with you guys, so if you see me out and about, unless I'm with my family or anything, if you see me out and about, feel free, man. I'm a friendly guy. I'll sit and chat to you. So thank you to all the guys who I bumped into. We had some really good chats, and I just want to shout you out before we head off. So guys, unfortunately, this is where we're going to be ending the episode. I hope you've enjoyed it. The car is sprayed, it's almost done. After this, it's just the aesthetics, and the results of the poll are in. So in the next episode, we'll be wrapping up everything. I'll be refurbing the wheels, because like I said, whatever you say goes. So I'll be refurbing the wheels. Stay tuned to see what color I choose. I'm gonna be polishing the paint. I'm gonna be sorting out those rear lights. If you remember, the 2 inner tail lights, they're a little bit blurry. Trust me, I'm gonna bring those back to life. There's still a few more bits that I need to do before I can put this car up for sale, get it done, but it's painted. It's painted. I'm just gassed. I am gassed. So yeah guys, this is where we're gonna leave it. Make sure you join me for the next episode, where we're gonna be wrapping up this build. I don't know what's gonna come next. You tell me what I should do next. Take part in a raffle, buy some merch. Trust me, I need it. So on that bombshell, this is where we're gonna head off. So as I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one.